The future of 3D printing has arrived, bringing faster speeds, greater precision, and improved technology. Whether you're a professional designer, an engineer, or a hobbyist eager to bring your creations to life, choosing the right 3D printer can take your projects to the next level. From high-speed FDM machines to incredibly detailed resin models, we've rounded up the best options available today. Stay tuned and be sure to check the description for the latest deals. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1. Let's start with the Bambu Lab A1, a 3D printer that's making waves for its impressive balance of user-friendliness and advanced features. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, this printer delivers an outstanding experience. Right out of the box, setup is made simple with a QR code linking to a detailed installation guide, an especially handy feature for first-time users. While you'll need to flip the printer over a couple of times during assembly, it's still far easier to set up than most FDM printers on the market. One of the biggest upgrades with the A1 is its larger 256mm cubed build volume, giving you more space for ambitious projects compared to the smaller A1 Mini. Its dual-rail Z-axis and sturdy frame provide excellent stability, ensuring smooth and accurate prints. Another standout feature is its automatic calibration before every print, saving you time while maintaining precision. Plus, being fully integrated into the Bambu ecosystem, it offers seamless compatibility with a variety of filaments. The built-in camera is another great touch, allowing for remote print monitoring and time-lapse recording. One particularly clever detail is the silicone pad that wipes the nozzle clean before each print, helping to minimize common printing issues. However, the A1 isn't without its minor drawbacks. The magnetic print bed can sometimes shift slightly, requiring occasional adjustments. Additionally, small filament pieces can scatter around during printing or filament loading, which might be annoying for those who prefer a clean workspace. And if you recently bought the A1 Mini, you might feel a bit of regret. The A1 delivers significantly more features for just $100 extra. Number 2. Anycubic Photon Mono 4. Next up, let's dive into the Anycubic Photon Mono 4, a budget-friendly resin printer that's been turning heads with its impressive performance. At first glance, it looks almost identical to its predecessor, the Mono 2, sharing similar dimensions. However, the real game-changer in this model is its upgraded 7-inch 10K monochrome LCD screen, delivering an ultra-sharp 17-micron XY resolution. This means your prints come out with stunning detail, capturing even the finest lines and text with precision. The build plate is equipped with a textured surface and a 4-point leveling system, enhancing print adhesion and accuracy. Meanwhile, the resin vat is made of plastic, which helps cut costs but may leave some users questioning its long-term durability. Thankfully, metal replacement options are readily available and fairly inexpensive. In terms of performance, the Mono 4 excels, producing highly detailed prints that make it a great choice for those who demand accuracy. It also features an auto-pause and resuming function, which can be a lifesaver if the power goes out mid-print. Operating the printer is straightforward, thanks to its intuitive interface. While the 2.8-inch touchscreen is on the smaller side, it's still responsive and easy to navigate. Another highlight is its compatibility with Anycubic's new bio-based resins, which are low-odor, eco-friendly, and even meet toy safety standards. However, as always, proper safety gear is essential when handling resin. That said, no machine is perfect. The plastic resin vat might not feel as durable as some users would like, and the top cover has a slightly loose fit, though this doesn't impact functionality. Number 3. Prusa MK4. Now, let's dive into the Prusa MK4, a 3D printer celebrated for its exceptional print quality and cutting-edge features. With a build volume of 250 by 210 by 220 millimeters, it provides ample space for most projects. though those looking to print larger models might find the size somewhat restrictive. One of its standout upgrades is the load cell auto-leveling system, which ensures a perfectly leveled print bed without manual adjustments. Another major enhancement is its advanced extrusion system, designed for smoother filament flow and higher precision. Connectivity is another strong suit, offering quick USB printing and wireless file transfers. However, Wi-Fi transfers can sometimes feel a bit slow. When it comes to performance, the Prusa MK4 delivers outstanding results. Prints come out with razor-sharp details, smooth finishes, and easily removable supports. While it doesn't match the speed of competitors like the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, its accuracy and reliability make up for the difference. The included Prusa Slicer software further enhances the experience, providing well-optimized profiles that simplify the printing process, even for beginners. Like any machine, the MK4 has its downsides. The $1,200 price tag places it well above budget-friendly options, making it an investment. The build volume might also be a drawback for those needing to print large-scale models. Additionally, Wi-Fi setup and file transfers can be slower than expected, which is a minor frustration given the printer's high-end positioning. Another small inconvenience is the lack of an easily accessible belt tensioning system, which can make maintenance a bit more tedious. Number 4. Bambu Lab X1 Carbon now. Let's take a look at the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, a 3D printer that's making waves with its lightning-fast speeds and high-end features. With a build volume of 256 by 256 by 256 millimeters, it's well-suited for medium-sized projects. Its fully enclosed design helps maintain a consistent printing temperature, leading to more reliable results. It also includes a built-in camera and a LiDAR system, perfect for remote monitoring and time-lapse captures. Ideal for those who want to keep a close watch on their prints. One of its standout features is its rapid heating system, which reaches 250 degrees Celsius in mere seconds. The flexible magnetic build plate is another plus, allowing for hassle-free removal of prints and compatibility with a variety of materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU. That said, swapping nozzles requires proprietary parts, limiting the use of third-party alternatives. Like any printer, it has a few quirks. The rear-mounted filament holder isn't the most convenient, and the LiDAR system occasionally misfires, either giving false alerts or missing actual issues. Loading and unloading filament could also be more intuitive. Lastly, with a price tag of around $1,200, it's a significant investment, especially when compared to budget-friendly alternatives. Number 5. Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. Finally, let's check out the Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra, the latest 5th-generation resin printer from Elegoo. Featuring a sleek design and an advanced 9K screen with an impressive 8-micron resolution, this printer produces exceptionally detailed prints. Its precision makes it a fantastic option for those working with intricate models and fine details, ensuring top-tier results. One of its most innovative additions is the tilted vat mechanism. Unlike traditional resin printers that lift prints straight up at a 90-degree angle, this system tilts the vat to release prints more smoothly. This reduces suction forces, minimizing print failures. Another key upgrade is the self-leveling build plate, which eliminates the hassle of manual calibration, saving time and effort before each job. Of course, there are a few downsides. The menu screen is relatively small, making navigation, particularly Wi-Fi setup, a bit cumbersome. Additionally, Elegoo didn't include built-in air filters, so users will need to purchase them separately. Another point of critique is the new anti-aliasing function, which in some cases makes voxel lines more visible than expected. However, with proper software adjustments, this issue can likely be refined over time. And that concludes our list of this year's best 3D printers. No matter if you're just starting out, an avid hobbyist, or a seasoned pro, there's a perfect printer for you. Be sure to subscribe so you stay up to date with future reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!